No one in that quiet room realized that the future of humanity was being rewritten, one pea plant at a time. It was 1865 in the small city of Brno. Outside, the world thundered with industry, empires, and revolutions. But inside a modest monastery garden, a soft-spoken monk bent over rows of green plants, counting, measuring, waiting. Gregor Mendel did not look like a man about to change science forever. He looked patient. And patience, it turned out, was his most dangerous weapon. For centuries, people believed inheritance was a blur. Children were thought to be simple mixtures of their parents, traits diluted like ink in water. Why did some children resemble a grandparent they had never met? Why did certain traits vanish, only to return generations later? No one could answer. Nature kept her rules hidden. Mendel chose peas because they were honest. Their flowers could be controlled. Their traits were clear. Tall or short, yellow or green, smooth or wrinkled. No vague maybes, only yes or no. Season after season, he cross-pollinated plants, tracked outcomes, and filled page after page with numbers. Not guesses, not stories. Evidence. Then something strange appeared. Traits didn't blend. They disappeared and came back. A tall plant crossed with a short one did not produce medium plants. Instead, one trait dominated, silencing the other, until suddenly, the silent one returned in the next generation, unchanged, intact. Waiting. This was the moment everything shifted. Mendel realized traits travel as discrete units. Invisible particles of inheritance that do not melt together, but pass forward intact, obeying strict mathematical ratios. 1 to 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Patterns so precise they felt almost mechanical, yet governed living things. He presented his findings to a local scientific society. The room listened politely. And then, nothing. The world wasn't ready. His work sank into obscurity. Mendel returned to his monastery duties, never knowing that his factors would one day be called genes, never knowing that his pea plants held the key to evolution, medicine, agriculture, even identity itself. Decades later, scientists rediscovered his papers, and suddenly biology snapped into focus. Heredity had rules, life had structure, and humans were no longer guessing who we were. We could trace it. A quiet garden had cracked open the code of life. If this story made you pause, if it sparked wonder about how deeply connected we all are, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with what discovery changed how you see the world, and help this channel grow, one story at a time.